The Noise Gate plugin also has sidechain and ducking features. I will now demonstrate both of these. I have here a beat and a synth lead, which I will play you now. As you can hear, this sounds fine, although we can use the sidechain feature to make the synth sound more interesting alongside the beat. If we select sidechain from the noise gate and select the track we want to use as our guide, in this case our beat, we can then alter the gate parameters so that the synth will only play once a certain threshold is met by the beat. I have set this to -20 decibels, as well as altering the attack, hold and release to adjust the track accordingly to how I want it to sound. If we listen now, we can hear that the synth has a rhythm which follows alongside the beat. Now we can hear that the synth is played when the signal of the beat comes through. Sidechaining is often used in electronic music and can also be used in other contexts. Now I will demonstrate the ducking feature on the noise gate. I have here a beat and a synth bass. I will play you this now. As you can hear, this sounds fine, but we can use the ducker on the noise gate to make the synth quieten down when the drums are played. This is called ducking. To do this, we have to switch from the gate to the ducker and select our beat from the sidechain. I have set the ducking parameter at -19 decibels so that it ducks when this threshold is reached. If we listen to this now, we can hear that the bass lowers in volume when the drums are played. This sounds okay, although the bass also turns down when the hi-hats are played, and this does not sound so good. We can now use the characteristics filter to select at which frequencies we want the bass to duck. There is a bandpass filter and a band reject filter. In this case, I will use the bandpass filter. To do this, we have to turn on monitoring and mute the track so we can hear the frequencies of the beat. I have used the high cutoff to remove the hi-hats but keep the snare. Now we've selected the frequencies that we want the bass to duck, we can turn monitoring off and unmute the beat. Now, when I play this, you can hear the bass duck when the kick and snare are played, but does not do so when the hi-hats are played. Ducking can be used like this in music, but it can also be used when music is being played and someone is talking over the top, perhaps in a podcast or a radio show. When someone speaks, the music can be ducked.